Hello, and welcome back to the pet room. I am still figuring on testing RAM chips from the Blue Bezel pet. And how do we test them? Well, we pop them out with great care. And then we check the pins. They look okay. We check the witness mark, and we pop them into this little pet that we know is working. And we put them in the screen RAM, because that will tell us if they are working. And so far, we've done pretty well. So we're going to start another bag. Good. 65, 50. Blue Bezel. All right. Good stuff. So we turn that off and we pop it out with great care. So there are, from the looks of it, I get the bag open. Okay. There are 6 of these left in this machine to test. There were 4 left, which I suspect I put in because you only really need 4 to see if the machine will come up. And of course, this machine did not come up. These are kind of snug and kind of tight, but it's okay. So we check the pins, we check the witness mark, the machine is off. We line it up carefully, very carefully. That didn't feel right. It did not feel right. Better to take it easy and get it right. Okay. And we have another good RAM chip. Okay. So, out with the RAM chip, into the bag. 2 more in regular positioning. And then there's the screen RAM chips, which are the same. This is why we're able to test them in this way. Okay. Pins look good. Everything is looking good. It's in. And another good one. I'd love to show you what a bad RAM chip looks like on the screen. But so far, we're doing okay. Okay. I think maybe we'll just put 4 of these in here. Put the screen RAM chips in another bag. When chips have been in for a while, usually it's not a bad thing to pry a little bit from each end. Just a little bit. So we check the witness mark. We check the pins. We line it up. We put it in. We turn it on. And once again, we're all good. I could probably, if I was so daring, test 2 of these at once. But then, of course, you're back to, oh, well, which one is it? So I generally, with most everything I do, try and do one thing, test one thing, and see what's what. So here we have 4 good RAM chips. All right. So we're going to go for the screen RAM chips. This would be the one on the right. And it too needs a little more prodding. It does. Oh yeah, it's kind of stuck. But it came out okay. Check the pins. Little bit of tweakage required. Check the witness mark. We're good. And I see already I'm lined up improperly. Easy to do. Easy to do. All right. We're in. And it too is good. Okay. Let's do another bag. Good. 65, 50. Blue Bezel. This is going to be tough. The bags are not big. Screen. Yeah. Okay. The bags are not big. All right. So that's coming out. Oops. So one more RAM chip from this machine anyway. Okay. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Okay. That's out. Check the witness mark, check the pins. Line it up. Pop it in. Turn it on. Ha ha. Okay. Now, so finally, we have what looks to be a bad RAM chip. Weird things happen. You press return, it comes up with weird stuff. Now, it's taken a while, but indeed, this is what the sort of thing to look for when you're testing, when things do not go well. There's a little funny floating stuff going on there. All right, just for fun, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to pop this out. And look at the chip. Look at the pins. Make sure they are all okay. They are all okay. I'm going to put it back in. But I know it's not going to make any difference. Because it's back in. I'm going to put this down. I'm going to turn it on. And indeed, we have found a bad RAM chip. Indeed. Everything comes up as an error because it can't comprehend what is going on. So, isn't this, well, I mean, it's not good, but it's better to know than not. Bad, 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 bad. Bad. 65, 50. Blue. Bezel. Now put left. Screen. Yeah. Okay. That would certainly make the machine not function well. Alright. Keep in mind, with screen RAM chips, I mean, what we just saw there, it doesn't mean if you have another bad RAM chip, it's going to look exactly like that. It basically means if it comes up and the machine doesn't come up right, then it's bad. What did I do with the back? I just wrote on a bag. Oh no. Did I really? Oh no. Oh, I dropped it. Oh dear. Oh dear, 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 dear. Yes. Two. Somewhat of an operation. Alright. It's funny. With that bad RAM there, I wonder what else is toast in this machine. Okay. So, that went well. It's good to find things that are bad if they're going to be bad. Let's see now. So here's the bag. Have the good screen RAM chip from here. Check the pins. Check the witness mark. Line it up. Push it in. Turn it on. And it comes up. And it works. Alright. So. (1) print. Quote. World of World of Commodore. Space. Quote. Semicolon. Colon. Go. 210. Run. Okay, so we're still working. Delightful. So, yeah. Well, yeah, we got a whole other pet there to look at. Also, right here, from that pet, are two, what are they, 6520 chips that have been removed. And I'm sure I did it. They're in very strange places, and I also, here's the thing you got to be careful of in these machines. I believe the 6520 chips are the ones or one of them is the one that the witness mark is not the same, and it is backwards, I believe. Anyway, that's enough for RAM chips. It is. So, I suppose what I should do now is press stop and type list. There's a little program, World of Commodore. Yay. And perhaps it is time to do a little pondering before the next round of testing. So thanks for coming to the pet room. David Bradley here. For the moment, signing off. We'll see you again soon. Thanks for coming. Questions and comments are always welcome. And if you see something and you know something that I'm obviously doing wrong or that I should be aware of, like with these 6540 chips that are all fine but the machine doesn't come up right, yes, let me know. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye for now.